To have, avoir. In our previous lesson, we learned how to say I have, j'ai. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say you have using the informal you, tu. You have, tu as, tu as. Notice I'm not pronouncing the S at the end of the syllable. Tu as, tu as. You have, tu as. You have, tu as. A car, une voiture, une voiture. A car, une voiture. A car, une voiture. A car, une voiture. Put it all together to make a complete sentence. You have a car. This is a statement. Tu as une voiture. Tu as une voiture. Again, notice the S is not pronounced on the verb form. Tu as une voiture. Tu as une voiture. You have a car. Tu as une voiture. You have a car. Tu as une voiture. You have a car. Tu as une voiture. Okay, so let's review and apply what you've learned. To have, the infinitive is avoir. Avoir. You have, with the informal tu. Tu as. Tu as. A car. Une voiture. A bicycle. Un vélo. A dog. Un chien. A cat. Un chat. Again, notice I'm not pronouncing the consonants at the end of the words here. Un chien. Un chien. Un chat. Un chat. Okay, so now putting it all together, if you want to make a statement, you have a car. You already know that one. Tu as une voiture. Tu as une voiture. You have a bike. Tu as un vélo. Tu as un vélo. You have a dog. Tu as un chien. Tu as un chien. You have a cat. Tu as un chat. Tu as un chat. Remember, if you want to ask the question, do you have, simply reverse the word order, so the verb form first, and then the subject pronoun. And remember, when you do this, you have to connect them with a hyphen. So the question, do you have, is as-tu. As-tu. Again, the S is not pronounced. As-tu. As-tu. So if you want to ask someone, do you have a car? As-tu une voiture? As-tu une voiture? Do you have a bike or a bicycle? As-tu un vélo? As-tu un vélo? Do you have a dog? As-tu un chien? As-tu un chien? Do you have a cat? As-tu un chat? As-tu un chat? To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.